Morning. Yep, it's a door handle and a latch. But we've had one fail. So I'm going to show you how to change one. It's actually very easy. Push the door back so it can't move, then you have to undo the screws that hold on the faceplate. Sorry, the screws that hold on the handle. And just undoing the bottom two screws. And pull this off. And then there's a bar. You have to remove the bar. It's quite easy, just pull it out. Ooh. That's interesting. Next thing you do, the two screws that are holding the latch in, you can undo those next. Sorry, you can't see, there we go. Pop the latch out. It's that easy. Then what you do, get your new latch. This one's still in its bag. And you put it in, but do bear in mind that the latch has an edge. That edge catches the part on the door, so in our case, because the door closes that way, you want this part to go in, so it goes in when the door shuts, it goes in like that. If it went in like that, the flat edge would catch it and nothing would happen, so it must go in that way round. So you put that in, give it a tap, put the screws back in. You must put the bar in. Yes, I know I've only done one screw. Put the bar in, put the handle back on. Before you do anything else, try to make sure it works. Because if it doesn't, you can take it back out and see what's gone wrong. Then you just put the screws back in. Obviously you do all 4 screws because I've got 2 at the top here and 2 at the bottom. And shut the door. Dead easy. Latches don't often go wrong, well at least they shouldn't, but if they do, that's how you change one. I got the new latch from eBay, less than £4 I believe it was. As always, thanks for watching. If you'd like to support the channel, please buy me a coffee.